If you're a product manager building with AI, you probably already know how RAG works and how it improves the quality of a custom agent. However, product managers face unique challenges with retrieval augmented generation. It works beautifully at first, but then real users show up and things start to break. Responses slow down, accuracy drops, and cost shoot up. That's where most PMs hit a wall because RAG behaves differently once it is part of a live product. It touches everything: your data, your infrastructure, user experience, even compliance. RAG systems need ongoing optimization for accuracy, retrieval quality, latency, and cost without affecting compliance or security. In this video, I'll share how product managers can use RAG more effectively, designing systems that stay accurate, fast, and cost efficient as they scale. I'm Swarnendu. I build and architect AI systems that deliver business outcomes. Every week, we discuss topics like product management strategies for SaaS and AI and look into the best AI tools to improve management processes. So if you're a product manager, please hit that subscribe button. I've been noticing lately that many product managers are facing a challenge when it comes to choosing RAG or fine-tuning. Now, the decision to choose RAG should be based on the fact that your product's knowledge base changes constantly. Imagine you're managing a product where its features change daily. Your customer support chatbot needs the latest information about the products and services instantly. RAG will instantly refresh the data source and all the new data will be used for the chatbot. RAG helps in creating citations to make sure that the answers are backed by real data and not hallucinations. Now, if you have already made the decision to use RAG, there are three crucial architectural choices that will determine your product's performance. Number one, chunking. Chunking is the art of breaking long documents into smaller pieces, but the size of these chunks matters. Too small and it might lose context. Too large and your AI might retrieve irrelevant information. In one project I saw for a legal tech startup, their chatbot kept giving half-baked answers until they switched to semantic chunking based on section headers. This helped their accuracy improve 30%. Number two, retrieval optimization. Using hybrid retrieval makes more sense in production and mixing keyword and semantic retrieval. Using metadata filters like date, author, and document type can also help make the answer generated by RAG precise. Using metadata filters, a product manager can train a healthcare bot to look into clinical data first, whereas a search function on an enterprise level can be trained to give more cadence to official internal documents over the community ones. Then the use of query expansion can be used for better results. Number three, evaluation. Most teams think the AI answering correctly means they have done a good job. They often ignore the other main factors like latency and cost. If a system is 95% accurate but it takes 10 seconds each time to answer and costs 50 cents per answer, it's not a viable product. A good RAG product will balance three KPIs: cost, accuracy, and speed. Now let's discuss how you can turn your RAG prototype into a reliable product once your architecture is looking good. In the next step, the real work begins with securing systems, cleaning data, and setting up monitoring. Number one, data quality first. Before generating embeddings, the data needs to be standardized and cleaned. Cleaning duplicate data and removing junk is needed to keep the data fresh. If your product depends on live data like internal documents or financial insights, it's better to automate frequent data refreshes. Second, security and compliance. RAG systems often handles sensitive information, so encrypting everything is essential. Assign a role-based access system so information is only retrieved by the assigned people. Number 3, monitoring. It's important to monitor the full pipeline, starting from the embedding to final response time. Treating your RAG pipeline like software makes it easier to become successful long term. Building a RAG system that stays profitable with scale is important for any product manager. Product managers need to break down the cost into two distinct parts. First, the implementation cost, creating pipelines, infrastructure, and generating embeddings. And second, operational cost, API calls, computing cost, storage, and monitoring costs. Trimming costs can be done, but it needs to be done smartly. You can reduce embedding dimensions, sometimes even by 50% reducing your storage bills as well. This can often lead to no accuracy loss. Another way to reduce cost would be to batch API calls and cache the frequent queries. When deciding on a pricing model as product managers, you may choose between a tiered plan for users or a per query pricing model. So let's see an example of how RAG powered bots have helped a brand. Fisher and Paykel, a global appliance brand, use RAG-based bots for their internal support as well as customer support. This bot handled 84% of internal queries and 66% of external queries automatically. This meant time and money saved for the company. As a product manager, it's your job to make RAG more useful and sustainable. Whether you are building an internal chat assistant for an organization or a customer support AI chatbot, accuracy, speed, and transparency are all equally important. When these three factors are aligned with business values, your RAG product will thrive. If you found this breakdown of RAG helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.